Hello, and welcome to another Hart Moto video. In today's video, we are going to talk about getting into motorcycling for the first time, and the top 10 tips you need to get started. For many people, motorcycling starts as a simple idea and ends up becoming something much bigger. A way to escape the noise of everyday life. There's something about being out on the road, completely present in the moment, that's hard to explain until you experience it for yourself. If you've ever thought about getting a motorcycle but weren't quite sure where to begin or whether it's really for you, this video should help answer some of those questions. Because starting motorcycling isn't about being fearless. It's about understanding what to expect, learning properly, and enjoying the journey from the very beginning. Here are 10 things you should know before starting motorcycling. 1. You don't need to be fearless. The first thing to understand is that nobody starts confident. Every rider remembers their first time on a bike. The nerves, the uncertainty, and the feeling that everything is happening a little too quickly. And that's completely normal. Fear isn't the enemy. In many ways, it's what keeps you safe. Good riders don't ignore risk, they respect it. Confidence comes naturally with time, training, and experience. You don't need to be brave to start. You just need to be willing to learn. 2. Start small, not fast. There's a common misconception that bigger bikes are better. In reality, starting on a smaller, lighter motorcycle often makes you a better rider much faster. Smaller bikes are easier to control, easier to manage at slow speeds, and far more forgiving while you're learning. Many experienced riders will tell you that some of their most enjoyable riding was at the very beginning, on smaller bikes where everything felt new. Motorcycling isn't about speed. It's about skill, balance, and confidence. 3. Training makes everything easier. In the UK, most riders begin with the CBT, and for many people that first day changes everything. Good training doesn't just teach you how to ride a motorcycle, it teaches you how to read the road, how to stay safe, and how to stay calm when things feel unfamiliar. A good instructor replaces uncertainty with understanding. The stronger your foundations are early on, the more relaxed and enjoyable riding becomes later. Good gear matters. One of the most important lessons in motorcycling is that good gear isn't optional. A proper helmet, gloves, jacket, and boots don't just protect you, they make riding more comfortable and less tiring. When you're warm, dry, and comfortable, you ride better and think more clearly. You don't need the most expensive equipment to begin. You just need gear that fits properly and is designed for riding. 5. Riding changes how you experience travel. One of the biggest surprises for new riders is how different travel feels on a motorcycle. You notice the temperature change as you move through the landscape. You smell the countryside. You feel connected to your surroundings in a way that cars simply don't offer. Journeys stop being something you rush through and become something you experience. Even a short ride can clear your head and reset your day. 6. It's more accessible than people think. Many people assume motorcycling is expensive or complicated to get into. While there are costs at the beginning, training, gear, insurance, smaller bikes are often economical to run. Fuel costs are low, and maintenance can be simpler than expected. Starting doesn't mean buying your dream bike immediately. It means beginning the journey and allowing your experience to grow naturally over time. 7. The community is real. Motorcycling has a unique sense of community. Riders nod to each other on the road. Strangers help each other at petrol stations. Advice is shared freely between people who remember what it felt like to start. Whether it's local rides, online groups, or simply conversations along the way, you quickly realize you're part of something shared. 8. You never stop learning. Even riders with decades of experience are still improving. Every road, every weather condition, every journey teaches you something new. That's part of what keeps motorcycling interesting. There's always another skill to develop, another place to explore, and another level of confidence to reach. 9. It can be good for your mind. Many riders describe motorcycling as a form of moving meditation. You can't think about work, emails, or everyday worries when you're riding. Your focus is on the road, your surroundings, and the moment you're in. For many people, riding becomes a way to reset mentally, a break from noise and distraction. And that's why, for so many riders, it becomes more than just transport. 10. The first ride is something you never forget. There's a moment that every rider remembers. The first time you ride alone. The engine sounds different. Everything feels new. There's excitement, a little nervousness. And then suddenly it just makes sense. For many people, that's the moment motorcycling becomes more than just getting from one place to another. It becomes part of who they are. We hope you have enjoyed our video. We would be very grateful if you would consider hitting that like and subscribe, and hope you can join us again in future videos.